Barbie, eat your heart out.
Hello creepers, and welcome back to Keep It Creepy. I'm Keha. So for this look, I just wanted to do kind of a crossover between the bride of Chucky and Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas. So the bride of Jack, if you will. But without further ado, you know what time it is. It's time to get our creep on. Let's go. So to begin our Sally slash Tiffany, do you say slash? Like when you're having a conversation? I don't know. So to begin our Sally and Tiffany crossover look, we are going to be starting with a clean face and basing ourselves in blue. So I initially thought this was a lot lighter than it needed to be, and I gradually went darker until I was really dark blue. So then I had to go back in with some white. So I kind of did a little bit of a reverse contouring to where I let the dark blue be the contour and then went in and on all the high points and added white to highlight it and to give contrast to that dark blue that was so overpowering, which was awful. We live and we learn, I suppose. Yeah, so I don't know if you can hear it in my microphone, but it is totally raining, like pouring here, and we lost power, so I'm just gonna record this little snippet in the dark. It's fine. But yeah, so now I'm just going in and adding the cuts that Sally has, all the little, like, the little sewn together part, the stitches. So we're basically going in and adding some like autopsy looking lines, and once we have those lines drawn, I'm gonna go through with a dark blue eyeshadow and shade on the side of each of those little lacerations, because you know we want to make things pop like the weasel. So now I'm just taking some black body paint and I'm using the back of one of my paintbrushes to add these little dots to represent the holes that the stitches would be sewn through. So yeah, so after we have our little holes, we are going to start drawing our stitches, and I'm just going to use a white body paint for this. We're going to alternate between straight lines and little X patterns. Kind of whatever feels right. Just do what feels good to you. Take a little creative licensing on that. You know, do your thing. Like my dog over there. Stop scratching yourself, you nasty. And then I'm going in with some purple eyeshadow and just sweeping that across my lid. And after that, we're going to smoke out our eye with some black shadow to really give it that dark, defined eye that Tiffany has and really make our eyes pop like Tiffany's do. And then I'm taking that purple shadow under my eyes and then taking the black shadow under my eyes and really smoking them out. So then we're just going to take some white eyeshadow along our lower waterline. Yeah, so that's just really going to make the eyes stand out and to make them look a little bit wider. And then we're just going to draw on our brows pretty much the same way that they are drawn on Tiffany, and filling in our lips. Tiffany has black lips and black brows, so yeah. And don't forget to like add the little mole that Tiffany has too. We're gonna follow that up with our tattoo that made me feel like Karen from Mean Girls, and I was pretty sure I was gonna jack it up and make it all backwards, so it's fine. We're just gonna draw the little heart with a sword stabbing it like Tiffany has, and we are gonna put Jack instead of Chucky. And after that, all you gotta do is pretty much throw on a wig and a jacket and maybe a wedding dress, and you are now the bride of Jack. Go out into the world and make Barbie eat her heart out, I guess. But hopefully you learned a thing or two about how to turn yourself into the bride of Jack. And if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave any suggestions for looks you might have below. And remember to keep it creepy. I'm actually supposed to be somewhere like 47 minutes ago, so maybe I'll just show up like this. Do you want to hang out with me? No one ever does. Time to wipe it all off. That's beautiful.